welcome to Crazy Cooking. Today we are going to be making bagels. Let's get started. Okay, remember to preheat your oven to 375. And the first step is to put 1 cup of all-purpose flour in your bowl. Next, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. After that, 3/4 of a teaspoon of kosher salt. If you're using table salt, use less. 1 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. And now you're going to start mixing. And now after you spooned it out of the bowl and put it into wads, you're going to roll it with your hands and like a long snake, and then you're going to attach it together so it makes a bagel like shape. Okay, now you brush your egg on it, and since we doubled the recipe, we are going to be using 2 eggs. And then after that, you will flip it over and put your everything seasoning on it. If you want to, it's optional. You can put other seasonings on it too. Okay, now put your bagels in the oven. And then start cooking them 15 to 16 minutes. Now I'm going to pull them out of the oven to see what our final product looks like. Now they should look something like this. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family. Goodbye!